speaking of melting pot, of course, listening to so many different genres of music, you grew up to, as you mentioned, Bollywood, Bhangra, you've got the whole Western music, Deep Purple got thrown in there somewhere as well. Now,
Yes.
What's your take on people who say that, the Bhangra purists who say that Bhangra should be left alone and not be, sort of meddle with EDM and stuff like that?
Okay, I think people are a little bit confused when they say that because they need to understand the concept of Bhangra and music and also language.
Okay.
You see, Bhangra, according to what I believe in definition,
Yeah.
is the song that follows a particular 8-beat count. For example,
Yeah.
so as long as you follow that, it's still Bhangra. Let's say if I add the drum. So you're still doing Bhangra.
Yeah.
Now, if I take out Punjabi and I put it in English,
Yeah.
it's still Bhangra
Oh, okay, alright.
because it's the music.
Yeah.
You know, in fact, in Finland, I forgot the gentleman's name. He actually did a Finnish Bhangra song.
Wow.
Yeah, we actually have that.
And it's in Finnish, like in the
Yes.
language itself.
Yes, in Finnish, and
Wow.
it's on that beat. So you can have that. That is Bhangra. Whereas music, if you're going to put Punjabi music, a Punjabi song, you're going to sing in Punjabi, but if the music is totally different, if it's going to be a 2-beat or 1-beat, then it's EDM already.
Yeah.
It doesn't qualify as Bhangra. It is just Punjabi dance music. You know, you can have Punjabi hip hop, you can even have Punjabi rock,
Yeah.
but that's not Bhangra. So I think people just need to understand that concept.
I understand the concept now. Oh, that's amazing.
That's a very interesting way of putting it.
I almost
right?
want to reply him in beats, but I'm just going to be like salivating all over the place, right?